So basically, we want all of us to be on the same page and make sure that you understand, because a lot of times you guys will, Mrs. Schulter will say, do you understand what I'm talking about? And you'll go, oh yeah, we're fine, and then you're not. So that's kind of what we're doing here, is I want to make sure that you guys, and I talked to Preston a little bit about this on, what was it, Thursday? And I actually should have waited until now to talk to you guys. But anyway, so you've read the notes from Mrs. Schulter. Is that right? All of you? Luke? Okay, so how did it go? I mean, was it good? You need some work. We're not expecting perfection. This isn't a final draft. We've told you that. She doesn't want bullet points either, though. She wants like paragraphs. She wants actual thoughts, probably some citations, etc. But how did it go? What did you think? Was it good? Did she give you good critiques, or did she eviscerate you, or did she tell you to start over, or what did you get? What did you get out of this? Anybody?
She told me to add more grammar.
To do what?
To add more grammar.
Add more grammar? Okay. Okay, so Noah, was it too short, or?
No, just gotta add grammar.
Okay. And Amanda, how about you?
I had to add like my reasoning for why I was like listening.
Okay. Luke?
But mine didn't really make sense. I was just like typing just to type.
You were what?
Mine didn't make sense. I was just typing just to type.
Okay, kind of like a word salad
Yeah.
sort of thing? Okay. And Preston?
Uh,
Word salad?
she said it was great finding the checks, punctuation, spelling, capitalization.
Okay. Okay. So, again, this is kind of normal stuff. You know, this is where you're putting your thoughts down. And the first draft, it may not make entire sense. Okay? And that's where you start to, because you're going to do probably 3 or 4 versions. You know, that's very possible. One thing I was telling Preston Thursday is that, again, we're not looking for perfection. You may think it is. You think it's really good, and you go, I love this paper. I've had papers where I thought they should be published, and I was expecting the teacher to, use that as an example, and then I get a B or a C, and I go, okay, no. But, the teacher's the boss. Just keep in mind, because some of us are perfectionists, and we're expecting to do it right the first time, and it doesn't happen. It's not going to happen. There's going to be changes. You're going to be moving paragraphs around, and you're going to be changing words. One thing I suggested to him is, if you have an older brother, sister, parents, us, the teachers, we can read it for you. Because what happens with me anyway, is that I read it so many times I start to memorize it, and I don't see the mistakes. One of my professors told me to try and read it backwards, and I couldn't do it. It didn't work that well. So I had neighbors, anybody, can you read this for me? And look for grammar mistakes. The facts, I'm assuming, are going to be good. I'm assuming that you did your research and that the facts are good. But as far as the grammar goes, don't write like you talk. Not that you guys are illiterate or anything, but we all use slang. We're all about slang, and these are professional papers. And if you guys go into college, you're going to be, they're serious about the papers. They're serious about the citations, the plagiarism. Make sure you do your citations, okay? And you're going to be have your dictionary, have your thesaurus, and use proper English, professional words, etc. As far as the citations are concerned, I think she said she wanted 2. Just some advice is give her more, if you can, 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, because teachers like that. It looks like you put some effort into it. Okay? Don't give her, because she'll look at it and go, they gave me 2, which is what I asked for, but it'd be nice if there was like 3 or 4. Then you put some extra effort into it. Okay? So, did you have any other problems as far as, looking at her critiques, are you saying, gosh, I don't know what she means, this is hard, you know, what do you need, do you need feedback from us? Do you have questions? Like, I'm not exactly sure what she meant, anything like that. What were you doing, Preston? What was your topic?
2000s.
Oh, the 2000s. And so did you get it narrowed down so you've got it all cemented, like you know exactly what you're doing? It's not too wide, not too narrow, or whatever? Okay, look.
Like what was on top?
Yeah.
Navy.
The what?
The Navy.
Oh, the Navy. Okay, what did you decide on? Like the history or?
Just like different parts of it.
Okay. It's not too wide though.
No.
I mean, you're not going like all over the place. Okay. And Amanda? Oh, you're doing the environmental thing. Okay. Huh? Okay. And you feel good about it? Everything is working fine? You've got it all set up, no problems? Okay. That's good. Another thing is, you guys go to Mr. G and Miss Schulter all the time. No problem, they're the teachers. Just remember, if you have a question, I'm there too. If you need me to read something, I can read it, okay? I don't mind. I can read. I know how to read. And one last thing on the citations I wanted to tell you is, and this is something I do, is that I'll find this perfect website. Perfect. And then I delete the tab. I close it out, and then I can't find it again. So what you do is I'll just put like the address on the paper. You can erase it later. Just put all your information there, whatever, however many. Put your notes there because you can just delete it later. Okay. So you're supposed to have 3 and 4 done this by Thursday, I think it was. How are you guys doing on that? Oh, procrastination.
Yeah.
One of my instructors said, don't let the big P get you. Procrastination. Reason for that, obviously, is because, and remember guys, we were in high school too. You know, I wait to the last minute and I'd be typing on a typewriter. You know, like so, the morning of, and that's when you screw up because you don't have time to think about it. And sometimes you gotta walk away. At least for me, I would be writing a paper, the teacher says, write about this, and the subject doesn't get me, I'm not interested in it, and so it's hard to write. You're just like, okay. And so then I have to walk away. Hour, 2 hours, whatever, go mow the lawn, go eat, whatever, and then come back to it, and hopefully it kind of gets your mind working. And so that's why you want to start now. I know you guys got things on your phones, you've got text, and you've got TikTok and all that. I get that. But the sooner you start on 3 and 4 and whatever what she was showing you on the chalkboard, the better. Because you're going to find that it might be a little bit harder than you thought. You may not have the right references, the right websites or whatever, and you need to look more, and it takes more time. And you don't want to rush it. You want to get a good grade on this, okay? So, any other concerns, anything? Do you guys have any questions? You're going to ask. Do you have questions? No? Yes? We're here to help you guys. We're here to help, okay? So we just want to make sure that we're all on the same page.